What is going on, everybody? It is Ranger Marcus or Marcus Raymond. Today we are herping in Butte County. Got my boy Randy right here. Going down this waterfall. Go look for some newts down there. Last time when we were here, we found about 25 or so. Hoping to get the same numbers. It's really cold today. Hopefully to find a lot of them. It's a little loud out here because of this waterfall. But I got a GoPro for Christmas and we're gonna try to get some underwater footage of the newts hanging over there. Let's see what we can get.
Finally, we got the first herp of the day, a California slender salamander. No newt so far yet.
You got a video of it?
Mm-hmm. So here's a look at our first Sierra newt. Randy over there is filming our other one. Two on the day.
They're like the little Godzillas of this place.
Mm-hmm. All right, putting this guy back. Maybe not.
Here we got a baby southern alligator lizard.
Here we got our fifth Sierra newt of the day.
Little baby.
Flipped onto this big log.
Little baby newt.
Here we got our third slender salamander of the day. Here we got our fourth slender salamander of the day.
Here we got Sierra newt number 6. Here we go, number 7 for the day. Three more under this log right here. This is number 8, 9, and 10 for the day.
Freaky looking dude.
Here we got another slender salamander. This one's like 5 inches, probably the biggest one I've ever seen.
Oh, yeah, it's right there. He on the move. Fuck that. Again, move towards it. Yep. Keep it right there. That's a good bit.
Here we got Sierra newt number 11. Looks to be a male. See this enlarged cloaca right here? It's a male tendency. Well, I found this guy right here on the edge, and we're gonna let him swim off.
See him now? Yeah. Don't fall away.
Okay, I can get it from here on the phone. We have our 13th right in the middle there. Kind of hard to see. Number 13 though. Here's Sierra Newt number 14.
Yep, good. Second one. I'm gonna go around face.
That's gonna wrap up today. We found 13 Sierra Newts. We found 7 slender salamanders. But tomorrow you will see me in Marin County. We're trying to find the California giant salamander. Let's go straight to it.
All right, we flipped this log right here on the way back, and we got 5 slender salamanders under one log. That brings our total to 12 slender salamanders on the day.
What is going on, everybody? It is the second day of our herping. Today we are in Marin County looking for the California giant salamander. Also looking for my lifer Oregon ensatina. We got the boy Randy here. Hopefully we find something, man. So this is the habitat that we're looking through to try to find the giant salamander. And under our first flip, we got a yellow-eyed ensatina and a slender salamander. 2 salamanders on the board now. Nice finds.
Here's another look at this yellow-eyed ensatina. Really interesting colors for it. Good looking individual though. Keep flipping. Here we got our second slender salamander of the day.
We're gonna look through this creek, still trying to find the giant. Here we got the 4th slender salamander. This one has a super red back for some reason. Maybe a different subspecies.
We got the 4th slender. Notice that red coloration on his dorsal side. I think we have the OG.
We got one, bro.
We got it.
Oh my god. Oh my god,
Let's go.
bro.
This is the target species. The California giant
Oh my god,
salamander.
bro, yes. All right, here we have the California giant salamander. I just flipped this guy under a log about 2 minutes ago. This is about 5 inches or so, and it's a lifer for mine. I've never seen one of these guys before, and it was the main target today. Just look at the crazy patterning on that thing. And the huge eyeballs. That's so cool, dude. It's so cool. All right, guys, here we have a look at my lifer California giant salamander. Right next to this busy creek here. An amazing salamander. Look at this guy. Crazy patterning on the dorsal side. And huge bug eyes. These guys are awesome. Great way to start off the new year too. Here's the boy Randy taking some pictures. The giant salamander. Look at this habitat. All right, we are releasing this guy under the log where we found him under. Just gonna go in all that right there.
he goes. We got our 5th slender here. Looks like it has no tail either. It's kind of weird.
2 more slender salamanders. We have 7 on the day now.
Here we got 2 more slender salamanders. That is 8 and 9. And then right here, we have another yellow-eyed ensatina with a slender salamander. Here we got 2 more slender salamanders, 11 and 12. We got 2 more slenders here. 1 here, and 1 here. Number 13 and 14. Here we got number 15 slender salamander.
Here is number 16 of the slender salamander.
Here we go, we have our 3rd yellow-eyed ensatina of the day. Another super small one.
I like that. I like that.
Here we have the 4th and 5th yellow-eyed ensatina. You can see this one is an adult compared to the small juvenile. Here we got slender 17 and 18.
And here we got our 6th yellow-eyed ensatina.
Now, ladies and gents, we have a massive California giant salamander.
Oh my God, bro.
Massive.
Dude, that is huge.
Dicamptodon insatus gets its name properly. This is easily.
I mean, that's a foot long.
My hand's 8 inches.
I mean, yeah, that's got to be like 11, 12 inches right there.
Now, ladies and gents, we have a massive California giant salamander.
God, bro.
Massive.
Dude, that is huge.
Dicamptodon insatus gets its name properly. This is easily.
I mean,
My
that's a foot long.
My hand's 8 inches.
I mean, yeah, that's got to be like 11, 12 inches right there. Wow.
Massive. This is the epitome of giant. Look at that. Again, that cryptic patterning. Look at those jaws, my goodness, look at those jaws. This is definitely have the capabilities of being a cannibal. It would have dwarfed the other one. The other one's dwarfed by this one. My gosh. What's up, man?
All right, so I just wanted to give a hand comparison here. It is bigger than my hand if you include the tail. My hand's probably 7 to 8 inches, so this salamander is around 10, 11 inches probably. Biggest salamander I've ever seen before. Just look at this guy. Look at the pattern. He will not stay still for pictures though.
No.
So this is gonna wrap up the video. I'm gonna do the outro with this California giant salamander here. We found 2 of these guys today, one a bit earlier, and this is gonna be our last salamander of the day. We found 6 yellow-eyed ensatina and 16 California slender salamanders. If you made it this far in the video, like and subscribe for more content.